What's up? So today I'm making the white chocolate brownies. Aaron wanted me to make for a graduation party, so I'm doing it. And yeah, so I will share the recipe down below and see you guys in the kitchen. Alright guys, so for this recipe we're going to need unsalted butter, some Nestle's white chocolate, some vanilla, and don't forget you do need sugar, salt, and vanilla. And here we go. Let's get started. So you are going to need to unwrap the butter, and you need 1 cup butter, full sticks. Just notes for you guys, a full stick of butter. Then you'll need 1.5 cup of white chocolate morsels. You can probably use regular chocolate too, so it's a suggestion. Regular chocolate is probably pretty good too. If you want to make dark chocolate brownies, I never thought of that, but let me know if you wanted me to do that. That was really good. And just side note to the second batch of brownies, I burnt them. On one accident, I fell asleep, but I told my dad to make them again. Unfortunately, that was sad. I was so sad. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna cry. Alright, so as of right here, you see, and I dropped the rest of the half cup, so I'm working with that. Now I'm putting the chocolate in the microwave. I am adding the sugar, so 2 cups of sugar. Right there, 2 cups of sugar and flour. So I know it does seem like a lot of flour and a lot of sugar, but that's what the recipe called for. When I first made it, I thought, oh, tons of stuff. But the flour actually, I think, makes it fluffier. So I stopped the video and got the flour because I forgot the flour and the sugar. So that's why the video stopped. And then, but like I said, 2 cups of flour. 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of flour. Do you want to build a flower? Don't even ask why I did that, but it was kind of hard to get the flour out because we didn't have that much in that bag, and I wanted to get rid of it. I think it fell in the sink. The microwave just beeped at that point, right there. So I'm stirring it. What I did is I put it in for a minute. Or wait, hold on. I put it in for 1 minute, or 1 minute and 30 seconds. So I did 30 seconds stirred. I didn't do it on camera, but I did 30 seconds stir, off, 30 minutes stir, and back in. So I just kept continuing until I get to 1 minute and 30 seconds. But overall, there are 4 eggs, so 4 eggs is what you're going to need. And it seems to take a lot of eggs, but there's only 1 liquid in it, so that could be why. Like, literally, vanilla and the eggs. So I think the eggs are what made it liquidy, doughy. I don't know. Like, in general, it was great, but it was good. Awesome sauce. 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. So Next is 1 tablespoon of vanilla. I did have to open it because it was a brand new bottle, obviously. But really, it could have eyeballed the vanilla because they're vanilla flavored. So it has to be good if you put extra in it, right? In the second batch, I actually put too much vanilla in it. Okay, guys, I'm not sure if I'm doubling this or not right here, but I think I did. But anyways, pour the chocolate into a larger bowl and do as much as you can. Get as much as you can out of the bowl. The more, the better. Set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then the 4 eggs. So do that. Make sure you do the 4 eggs. Just it was great. I don't know what number of that egg that is, but it was great. Just like I said, it was great. Oh, that's when I got a shell in the egg. So great. I don't know what I was doing here. Oh, the 4th egg. The 4th egg. Next, just mix until you get it fluffy. Not fluffy, sorry. Get it to look like a batter type. I don't know how to explain it. But next we're going into time lapse, so then you see my dad like trying it. So he always has to try what I make or what anybody makes. Here's the final product, and see you guys then. Thanks for watching. Bye. Peace out. And we'll see you in the next adventure of Gamer Chase. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and comment down below what other videos you want me to do. Bye.